Hey there, ready to test your knowledge? Let's test your knowledge on Georgia Real Estate Exam. What to expect and how to pass, 2024. Question 1. The right of the government to take private property for public use with compensation is A. Severance, B. Eminent domain, C. Attachment, D. Escheat. The correct answer is eminent domain. Eminent domain is the governmental power to take property for public use upon payment of just compensation. Question 2. Restrictions, easements, or liens that burden title and give others rights are called A. Joint tenancy, B. Escheat, C. Encumbrances, D. Improvements. The correct answer is encumbrances. Encumbrances include liens, easements, restrictions, and leases affecting title or use. Question 3. A cloud on title most often refers to A. A rainy closing day, B. Any claim, lien, or defect that affects marketable title, C. A home with many trees, D. An appraisal issue. The correct answer is any claim, lien, or defect that affects marketable title. Title defects or recorded claims can create a cloud and must be cured for marketable title. Question 4. A newspaper advertisement is considered a blind ad when it A. Doesn't include the property address, B. Contains misleading information, C. Doesn't state the sales price, D. Fails to identify the advertiser as a licensee. The correct answer is fails to identify the advertiser as a licensee. A blind ad hides the fact that a real estate licensee is advertising by omitting required identification. Question 5. A clause in a mortgage that allows the lender to demand the full balance if the borrower sells the property is the A. Acceleration clause, B. Prepayment clause, C. Due on sale clause, D. Subordination clause. The correct answer is due on sale clause. A due on sale clause can make the loan immediately due upon transfer without lender consent. Question 6. To avoid conflicts of interest, most appraisers work A. For owners on retainer, B. For real estate firms on retainer, C. Independently on a fee-for-service basis, D. Only for lenders as employees. The correct answer is independently on a fee-for-service basis. Independent fee appraisers provide opinions of value without being tied to the transaction parties. Question 7. How many hours of pre-licensing education do you need in Georgia before you can sit for the salesperson exam? A. 55 hours, B. 60 hours, C. 65 hours, D. 75 hours. The correct answer is 75 hours. Georgia requires completion of a 75-hour pre-licensing salesperson course from an approved school. Question 8. Which is an example of actual notice? A. A recorded deed in public records, B. A buyer being verbally told about an easement, C. A survey that could have been obtained, D. An HOA rule posted online. The correct answer is a buyer being verbally told about an easement. Actual notice means the person was directly informed or personally aware. Question 9. Which statement is not true about a contract of sale? A. It must be signed by the parties. B. It must be notarized. C. Pre-printed contracts are acceptable. D. It can refer to a public record document for a complex legal description. The correct answer is it must be notarized. A contract of sale generally does not require notarization to be valid. Signatures and other elements matter more. Question 10. A property boundary that is a moving body of water may change over time due to A. Accretion. B. Hypothecation. C. Defeasance. D. Subrogation. The correct answer is accretion. Accretion is gradual buildup. Boundaries can shift with gradual, natural changes.